Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Badar. Today, I'd like to share a story with you. A story about courage, sacrifice, and the meaning of independence. Have you ever imagined living in your own land but not feeling free? Freedom. It sounds simple, but for us, it took blood, struggle, hard work, and unbreakable spirit. Once upon a time, Indonesia wasn't free. For over 300 years, Indonesia was once trapped in the shadow of colonialism and imperialism. This system occurred when Indonesia was colonized by foreign nations, one of which was the Netherlands. The implementation of this system is very detrimental to the Indonesian. Many people were oppressed and suffered as a result of colonialism. But it doesn't stop there. Our ancestors never gave up to achieve independence. Heroes rose from small villages to big cities. They fought, risking their lives to achieve independence. They didn't have money. They didn't have sophisticated weapons to fight colonizers. But they had courage. They fought for a better future of Indonesia. Our heroes were never afraid, even though they only had traditional weapons. They fought the colonizers with only spears, while the Netherlands continued to stop their resistance using modern weapons. After struggling for hundreds of years with the slogan "Freedom or Death," they won. And then, on August 17, 1945, a proudly asserted statement changes everything. We, the people of Indonesia, hereby declare the independence of Indonesia. It's called Proklamasi Kemerdekaan Indonesia. And just like that, red and white flew in freedom. But independence is not just a day. It's a result of a struggle that is very meaningful for us, the Indonesian people. But unfortunately, many of today's young generation don't know the history of Indonesian independence, about how persistent the heroes were in fighting for independence. There are even those who don't know the figure of an Indonesian hero. They are more familiar with Western artists like Beyonce, Billie Eilish. But if asked about Indonesian heroes, they know about them? We, as the younger generation, must appreciate the independence they have given us. Imagine if our country was not independent. Torture is happening everywhere. Forced labor, children crying in fear, starvation, and even death. Today, we don't fight with guns. We fight with ideas, with kindness, with unity. So, ask yourself, what will you do to honor the freedom they give us? Because Indonesia is not just history. Indonesia is you. And that is the story of how Indonesia fought for its freedom. That is all I have to say. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.